Today with me, I have this 11-piece kids baking and cooking set. I received these through Amazon Vine. So this is not just a toy, it is also a real set that can be used with actual food. This is an 11-piece all-in-one baking set. So all these things on the back is what is included in the box. So let's go ahead and empty this box. The baking set is recommended for kids aged 6 and up. I do think slightly younger children can enjoy it as well, obviously with proper supervision. It's like a great introduction to kitchen basics, and it'll help develop their hand-eye coordination. And honestly, you can use this at home for everyday baking or even take it outdoors for a picnic, baking activity. It works well in different settings. So this is everything that's included in the box. I love that it has these measuring cups. So you get 5 sizes. You get a full cup, half a cup, a quarter cup, a third, and 1/8. Then you get a set of 4 measuring spoons. 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and half a tablespoon. So both these will obviously help the kids learn how to measure properly. Now, this baking mat is one of my favorite things because it actually helps keep the mess contained. So the one thing that actually stood out to me is that all the materials here are safe. Everything is made from food-grade, non-toxic materials and completely free of BPA. And these are also dishwasher safe. So this is great, like for parents, because cleanup actually becomes very easy. Another favorite is that they got to include this recipe book. So it has step-by-step instructions that kids can actually follow. Clearly written, enough for the kids to understand, especially the older kids. And the younger kids can still, get help from a parent. So back to my kids, I actually have the kids that see this whole set as a toy for them. And then I have older kids who are actually excited to use this in the kitchen. So you may have noticed the whisk is already broken because the younger kids were playing with this set. Either way, these are moments that stay with them as they grow older. Overall, I think this kids baking set is well made. It's thoughtful. It's a fun product. Definitely encourages creativity. It builds confidence. It'll help kids learn valuable skills while spending meaningful time with their parents. So for family who love hands-on activities, this set can bring a lot of joy and educational benefits. And honestly, if you're thinking about giving this as a gift, it looks like something special when you open it. I think it would make a great birthday gift, a holiday gift, or even a family activity gift.